Hi viewers, welcome to Elam Foundation. Today we are going to see about how to use ANN for detecting the fault, classify the fault, and locate the fault in the IEEE 13 node test feeder. This is the IEEE 13 node feeder. It is already available in the MATLAB demo or example. Here we are going to create the fault in different buses. For example, you consider there are the here you see that there are 12 buses in this Simulink model. Here you can see that bus number 632, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. And then this feeder is like unbalanced load. This feeder having balanced as well as unbalanced load in the each node point. Here we are going to create a fault in the each node point or bus point, and then we are going to collect the data. How we are going to collect the data? We are going to collect the data by ABC, and here we are going to collect the data, and then here we are going to collect the data. We are going to collect the data. The data going to be used as the input data set, and then for each part we are going to create some labeling in the form of binary that will be act as a target that will going to be used to train in the ANN for fault detection, classification, and the location finding. How we are going to do that? Here you see that we have different that means each first. Here you see that in first node. For example, I'm opening this model. In this model, we are going to create the fault in this point, and then we are going to collect the data. That means we are going to create the fault, different faults. What kind of fault we are going to create? Line to ground fault, line to line fault, line to ground fault, and a doubling fault, and doubling the ground fault. So to create separate model for each node, there are 12 node is that 13 node. Here you have that bus point will be 13. Okay. So here we created in the different node point, and then we are collect the data. Just you have to create the different fault like line to line, line to ground, single line to ground, and on. We are creating different fault and collecting the data. The data set will be stored like this in bus number. That we each node we fix the after collecting the data that will be stored in the matrix form at math file. Here you will see that you will have the data set, data the target. That will be finally after collecting all data set at the each node. Finally, you are going to combine the data set, and then the data set will be used to train the neural network. Further, here finally we have just all matrix after collection of data set. See that all data set available in the .mat file. That .mat file we are loading here, and then this we are creating the input data set based upon what the data collected from the each node detail, and then we are doing that deduction and classification process. That means we are putting the target as a classification, and then we are making data for this is data for a location finding. Okay, we are making that location finding data set. Finally, we have that location data set. Input data set is stored in the here input variable, and then classification data set will be stored here. Location data set is stored. Once you run this code, the data set available here. I mean, here you see that this one is input data set. Okay, and then this is section data set or classification data set, and this is location data set. Okay, now we go to the training process. First, you go to AN or NN start. Once you type this NN start, so we see this neural network training window. Just you click clicking. Next you see this window and click import and input data, and then click the input data set and then target data set. Here you have to click this one and click rows and click OK, and then click training process. Okay. Once you do this training process, so it will take some time to train the neural network based upon our input and the target. Now you see that training process completed. So you can see the performance graph. This is a performance plot for the training, testing, and validation. And also you can see the regression. This is a regression plot for that training process for a detection class. The same way you can and then if you want this ANN for in Simulink model, click export and click export to Simulink. Then you will get that ANN model, okay, for a detection and classification. If you want, you can copy this one and then we can use in this Simulink model. Already we trained that everything. And next you go with the other training, that means for location finding. Here also go to import data and then import the feed that input data and feed the target data. Next you click train. Here is the train process detail, and then mean square error and then R value. This is a performance graph for the training, validation, and testing. And then this is regression graph for that find the ANN. If you want, you can export this Simulink model, and then you can use this Simulink model for a location find. Next process after training everything, so we need to use that model in the final here. Here the data set, so input, right, input from that system that will be fed to ANN for reduction and classification, and then this is for location finding. And here we have that decoding logic for different faults. Here you see that here you have fault detection, whether fault is occur or not, and then we have that different classification fault, that means single line the ground fault, double line the ground fault, triple line the ground fault, double line fault, and then triple line fault. Here see that here I am created faulted here. Fault is BC and ground fault, and location is around in between 671, somewhere else in 671 or near to that 671 buses. So when you run this one, you will see that result. Here you see that if the fault is detected now, fault is classified at the BCG fault. Okay, and also you can see the location also. Here you see that you will get around 671. Okay, fault is occur around the 671. The fault is occur near to 671. Okay, now I changing the fault to AB fault, and then you need to check that one. There are some accuracy. You need to check. You have to create all fault and then check the results. Now you see that the fault is detected. The fault is classified as the AB fault. Okay, and the location is comes around the 671. The same way you can place the fault in somewhere else. For example, I'll begin this fault around this point. Okay, I put in fault here. Now I'm checking the fault classification and reduction, and also location finding. Now also you see that fault is detected, fault is classified as AB fault, and then we are getting the fault location is around 671, 675. Here you see that the fault is nearer to that 675 node. That here you will see that the detection and the classification, and this here you can see the location of the board location of the fault. So working of that the fault detection, classification, location in the 13 node test bidder in MATLAB. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe channel and also bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.